Hi, I'm Nicole and I'm the patient liaison with Dr. Garza Plastic Surgery. Today we are going to talk about tips and tricks for your reconstructive surgery. First, let's talk about a dedicated recovery area. In your dedicated recovery area, you may have a recliner or you can find a comfortable area to sit with wedge pillows. Our next tip and trick is in regards to food. If you have friends and family that are wanting to help out, the best way they can would be a meal train. Having family and friends drop off meals is a huge help when you're in recovery. If you do not have family and friends in the area that are able to help out with meals, we do recommend prepping food ahead of time. One thing to remember is that we encourage the high-protein diet. This will help your wound healing. In the recovery area, something good to have would be your medications. We will submit your medications prior to surgery, so please make sure that you pick those up and have them ready for you. As your patient liaison, I am here to help you through your reconstruction. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.